So everybody, the most exciting time in building a pond is on its way. We are actually going to be setting our first boulders. As you guys can see, Carl's down there getting boulders all lined up. I've got all Carl's boulders lined up from up here from the cat, and we're about to start getting them strapped and getting them in the pond. So very exciting time. Stay tuned. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got boulder number one. Boulder number one. Boulder number one. The Carl Petit. I'm down in the hole. I'm gonna set it. Here we go. I'm gonna be setting the boulder. I'll set it. I'll get it done. Steve, come here. Get down in here. There we go. Get my camera guy.
Want me filming you or the rock?
Huh?
You want me filming you or the rock?
The rock. Alright, where do you want it, Clark? Here, rock, set it. Put it right in there. Right here. Perfect. Right here. That's 3X, Carl. You're in. First placement. Turn at 90. Oh, 180. Oh. That'll go right in the liner. Let's go like this. I was looking aesthetics. Yep, I was too. No, it's all that. Yeah. Want to lean it away? Go this way? What's up? Alright, take it down. Let's see what she does. Lean towards you. Lean it towards me. Yep. Alright, go ahead. Up. Spin it. Don't lean back. He wants to lean this way, so we'll pick it up, we'll spin it. I'll just watch the string. Alright, go ahead. I got it. Alright, go ahead. Up just a little bit. Put some more tension on her. There you have it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you the safe way to do this. Make sure your operator knows I'm very loud. So it's a lot of people like to use hand signals, up, down, stuff like that. But when you are clearing your hook, get your hook cleared, walk away, hands up, and yell, clear! And that way you know, your operator knows that you're out of the way, straps out of the way, and you don't get clumped in the head with a bucket. Pretend you're a blackjack dealer. Yep. Clear! Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is definitely a moment that will make your butthole pucker. And we have that moment right now with Carl Petit in the machine and the fearless Jeff Michaels ready to catch that boulder. Yep, there you go, Jeff. Get it in there. Get it in there. Ain't lying, dude. It's gonna come over. You want a shovel to try to direct it? Well, either way, it says the way it's leaning. Yeah. That's what I'm saying, is we can try to control it in that direction. No one shot, Jeff. Now you can't move it. Okay. Get out of the way. Jeff is the man. Holy crap. Jeff is the absolute man. Curl back. Fearless Jeff Michaels. You want me to stand on that side of the machine? No. Alright, I'm going to set it there for a second. I'm going to reposition just a little bit. Alright. Okay, don't put the string in there. Okay, go ahead. Alright, 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 go That is some weight. Cup of tea. Tipping it. Tipping it. Get it, baby. Get it. Look at that. Look, no hands. No hands. Well, the boulder's down now. Popping a wheelie, man. Cup of tea, popping a wheelie in a Cat 308. I think he likes that machine way too much. It's all about knowing how to control the machine. There you go. But Damien, tell me, what do we got? We've got fish cakes. Fish cakes! How big is that? That is 24 inches. 5 foot long. And we're gonna lay it over in a corner over here. So does it stand up or does it lay down like it was? Like what? How, I don't understand. What is it? It is going to lay down like it was. It's easier to transport and a little bit more comfortable for me to talk to you. Gotcha. So we're gonna stick it over in the corner behind Chris there. There's a little bit of an inlet. A little bit of a cave right here. Should roll that bad boy in there and show the ladies and gentlemen on my YouTube channel how this works. Set this back in here. That'll put straight shelf. We'll rock around it. This will give a place to kind of hang out. Now, what's the other cool thing that we're planning on doing with this right now? We are going to cut a hole in the top to give the fish a way out rather than just being able to swim in and out through the one entrance. Just gives them a little bit of enjoyment and fun. And then, also, go ahead. In here, we're going to put in here, there's going to be gravel over the top of it. We'll also plant some lilies in there that'll grow up and kind of camouflage that entrance / exit to the fish. So that way predators can't come in and see where their home is and coming in and out and stuff like that. Okay, cool, awesome. So by the time we're done with this, we're not even going to be able to see this. You're not even going to be able to notice this even being back here, huh? Correct. It'll be camouflaged. You won't see it for 2 reasons. Number one, the rock and gravel and boulder work around it, and then also the depth of the grass. So, but it'll be a nice place for the fish to hang out. There we go. Oh, that was just like at the park with older brothers.